Alright guys, this is Dan from Fresh Cuts, making an unboxing video of Ego's wet dry vac. I believe it's 9 gallon. So I'm excited. I paid like, I think it was 300 plus tax on Amazon on their Ego's website. So I already cut those sides. Alright, I've been excited to use this because I'm trying to sell my plug-in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'll just manhandle this a little bit. Perfect, guys. You know, because who cares about that? Oh, this is a beauty. This is an empty box. Toss that. Damn. What a beautiful thing. It just came with that. A box is empty. I don't know where are the attachments. Oh my God. Where are the attachments? Okay, maybe the hose is inside. We'll see right now. It comes with a manual. There's attachments in there. Let's see here. Here are the attachments. First time even touch it. Actually, this is about the same size as my other plug-in electric one. Hose is looking great. Love the color, Ego. Love the green. That lime green. Oh yeah, I got the bag for the dust. We're gonna be testing this out soon. Got all the instruments. So it's looking pretty good size. Actually, and the wheels I'm loving. Really nice. And they lock too. Beautiful. So it comes with the hose, two hose extension, a brush, then you got the thin one with the light when you plug it in. This must be for water right here because it has a squeegee. And you got this brush here, another one for the car. Just a little adapter. I think one of them might be smaller. Or I guess if you need an adapter, you already have something. But yeah, that's everything, guys. So we're gonna plug in a battery and we're gonna do a review video for this. All right, I'll talk to you soon.